Hey, what's going on? Zero Day Jay here. Hope all is well. It's Wednesday, May 22nd. The market closed 20 minutes ago. It was crazy because today was FOMC and NVDA. I just got off the stream. I had today was a record turnout. I'm like breaking records every day with the turnouts. It was crazy. I had, I think I had as many as like 78 people on at the same time today. It was fucking great. So, and everybody's cool. So if you were on the stream and you're watching this video, thank you for hanging out, man. It was definitely fun. I really appreciate the support. So if you're not yet subscribed to the channel and you haven't come to one of the streams, there's some really high quality people on there, all good traders. A lot of them are better traders than I am, and we all just share our insights and we all have fun. And you guys could watch me trade while we're all talking about trading. We're all a bunch of degenerates with trading futures with prop firms. So hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. I post updates like the one I'm making right now, and I stream every day between during regular trading hours. I try to get on at around 2 p.m. Eastern time. That's like usually the earliest I could get on, and I go to and through close. Like I just got off like literally 3 minutes ago. It's 5:23 on the East Coast. I'm on the West Coast. That's why it says 2:23. Anyway, and then I'll stream at night. If I'm trading at night after my wife and kids are in bed, it's usually around 2:30, 3 o'clock a.m. Eastern time, right around when London opens. If I'm trading, I'm streaming, and same thing. Usually have a good turnout. People are hanging out, and you can watch me trade like a degenerate. So anyway, let's get into Apex. I'm in my Apex account right now. I'm trying to go fast because I have to make my Take Profit Trader update video as well. I want to do it before Tradeovate updates. So here's number 65. If you're wondering if I'm still waiting for my fucking payment, my payout that I requested last Thursday to be approved, the answer is no. I haven't been approved yet. I'm still waiting here. Still waiting. Right? Here I am. I posted this on my community page. Just breathing and relaxing because that's what Darrell said to do. Just breathe, relax. It's all good. Where Well, that's not it. It's right here. He also said nothing is as bad as you think. Um, Nothing is as bad as you think. Just relax, okay? I am a trader. I am not. I only gamble. I only gamble on the eval account so I could pass them in one day. But when I'm trading my funded accounts, I don't gamble. I'm just a regular trader. Okay, guys. Anyway, let's get back to this. Still waiting on that payout. Still under review. Let's refresh again. Is it still under review? It's only been a week. Whatever. One day they'll approve it. I didn't do anything wrong. I don't think I violated any of their rules that they finally decided they want to enforce. I respect that. They have a company to run. All good. I have no issues with Apex. I just want to get paid. I fucking worked my ass off to get this one. It'll be my second ever payout. I almost nuked the account twice, and I built it back up twice, and I got it over the fucking threshold. So I would appreciate it if I could get flipped from under review to approved. Anyway, moving right along. I had to start trading this account again, so I flipped the micro real quick. Got $4. So that's that account because I'm right over I'm not that far over the threshold, so I'm not trying to mess that up and go under and not get paid. That'll take me out of the qualification to get a payout. That'll remove my eligibility. All right. So that's that account. I have one other funded account. It's a 25K. I'm on day 4. I got it up another $240. I'm up a total of I'm up 1,174. I need to get this to 1,600 to qualify for a payout, but I'm going to push it over. I'm going to push it to 2,000 plus because if I only take it to 1,600 and I only go over like $45, like number 65 is my comeback kid account. Once I get paid, you could take as much as 1,500. I literally have a trailing max drawdown remaining of like $40. I don't want that. I want to have a trailing max drawdown of at least 300 or 400 so I can at least try to work that back up. So I'm going to push this to at least 2,000. I got plenty of time. I'm taking it easy. I think I made 2 or 3 trades today. I don't even think it was 3. It was maybe 2. Might have been 3. I don't remember. It was so long ago. It was early. It was before FOMC. Like it was crazy today. We had FOMC. Let me go to the 15-minute. We had FOMC earlier in the day, and then this was basically FOMC right here. We dumped like 100-something points all the way down here, and then we bounced. We had the value gap fill or whatever, and then NVIDIA happened, and this was all NVIDIA from here. Basically, this was NVIDIA. This was the start of NVIDIA's earnings, right at was that? No, it was right here. Sorry, this was the start of NVIDIA's earnings. I don't remember. It just got crazy. We're talking like 200-point swings here. This is where it was. We dropped all the way down here. Literally dropped. Look at that. Fucking The lower day was 684. NVIDIA wicked all the way down to 691 and then came all the way back from 691 to 890, like 200 points. And look where it rejected at a pivot point. Go figure. And then we came all the way back down, and then we kind of started working our way back up. So crazy day. Let me get through the rest of my account so I could go into my take profit trader account and make that update. All right, so this account's good. We're up 240. Here's my Big Daddy account, the 250K account. I got it up another $2,500. I could have got it up more. I probably could have got it all the way to 15,000, but I didn't want to risk it because the trailing match drawdown is. I could have, if I went heavy and I got caught in that flash dump for NVIDIA, I would have nuked the account. So I was playing very conservatively. I already had it up like $900 before all that started happening. I actually got it up like 700 last night during the stream last night or before the stream. I don't remember. I was streaming last night. So overall, up $2,500 today, and I'm in great shape with my trailing match drawdown. It's only $130 off the peak, and I'm at $9,631 in profit. I need to get to 15,000, so I'm $5,469 away from that. That's awesome. All right, next, let's move on. Showed you that one. These two right here are 25K evals, and I got them both over last night during the stream for the stream. Got this one up. What's crazy is I was copy trading these, and then all of a sudden I was in a position, and this one didn't get taken out of a position for a gain. And next thing I know, I gave back all the gains and almost nuked this account. But I worked it back up during the stream and got this one over too. They're literally at the same, 533. This one's up 1,533. This one's up 1,538. 1,523. Sorry. But they're over. So now I'll have 3 25K funded accounts, which is awesome. I like these 25K accounts because you don't have to grow them super high just to get a payout, right? So I'm cool with getting 1,500 instead of 2,000. That's perfectly fine with me. I'll just increase my odds and you can't do anything stupid. You can't go full tilt. It's really hard to go full tilt in a 25K account because the most amount of minis that you could have is 4. Whereas on a 50K, it's 10. So that's where I'm at. So tomorrow I'll have 2 more funded accounts. I'll have 4 total funded accounts with Apex and this big mamma jamma 250K eval that I'm pushing towards, passing. I got some time. And hey, if you want to now's the time. If you want to load up on evals, Apex is still doing their 90% off sale, 90% off any size eval account. Just use my coupon code. It's PWPCGSEH. You could get 250Ks for as low as $16.70, 50Ks for $18.70, 150Ks for $31.70, 25Ks for $16.70. This is if you trade with Rhythmic. If you do trade evade like I do, it's $18.70 for a 250K. So literally the same price as a 50K account. All right, but you got to be careful with this one. You got to take your time. Don't try to push this shit over in a while. Don't try to push this shit over in one move with going 27 minis deep because your trailing max drawdown is only 6,500, and if you're in full port on a 250K, that's $540 a point. And if you go down 12 points, your account's done. So I don't advise you do that. This one you want to take your time with. All right. And Apex doesn't want any gamblers. Okay. If you are a trader and not a gambler, you are fine. They don't want gamblers, even though you could pass 250K evals in one day to pass. You could gamble in your evals, but not on your funded accounts, okay? So just remember that when you're doing this stuff, all right? So anyway, use my coupon code. You can click the link in the description below. My coupon code's in there. Just paste it. If you're already have an Apex account and you want to support the channel, you could use my coupon code instead of whatever other coupon code you were using to secure your 90% discount and one day to pass. And if you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any videos I post. I stream every day, like I said. During regular trading hours and during the overnight. At this point, every day during the overnight. And thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. All right? Take care.